If you are looking for a way to charge your phone or your devices on the go quickly, we're going to do a comparison video today. We got the INIU versus the Anker. So this Anker one right over here comes with this cable right over here. This is a MagSafe one right over here. This is the charger. This is how you charge it. You literally just put it in here and you put it into a plug. Kind of wish they sent a plug with it, so you're gonna have to use one. To see how much battery you have left in here, you're gonna just hit here, and these are the buttons right over here. This other one right over here, this is the INIU. Same idea here. So this already comes with a built-in charger, which I like. So you could literally just plug this in and start charging this up. You could also use this cord right here to charge your devices as well, which is really, really nice. This side button right over here is going to show you how much you have left battery-wise. I like the fact that they use the paw. So to charge a device, I'm just going to put this cable right over here. So I'm going to put that in here, and then we're just going to connect it to my phone right over here, which is nice. I like the fact that you have the option to be able to charge multiple devices. You'll see my phone is now charging, which is great. I like the fact on this, so you could charge multiple devices. You have the USB-C and the USB and the USB-C right over here, which is great. So it gives you some different options. I also like how this one has a built-in charger as well. So I would say I like this one better because I always have multiple devices with me. So with this one, I'd be able to charge my iPad, my headphones. For this one right over here, I'd only be able to charge my phone. Really like how slim this is, easy to travel with as well. So if you're looking for a great phone charger, I would definitely check this one out. And thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.